Hello everyone, myself Akshay. Today I will discuss with you on the topic of DNA replication. So, DNA replication is a biological process in which producing of two identical DNAs from one original DNA is done. In this process, two identical replicas of DNA is done with the original one DNA. DNA replication occurs in all living organisms as an essential part of biological inheritance. This is important for cell division during growth and repair of damaged tissues. It is the process where genome where or it is the process in which genome's DNA is copied into the cells. Then talking about the DNA replication, works in the four different steps. The steps are: first, replication fork formation; second, primer binding; third, elongation; and fourth, termination. So talking about the first state, that is replication or fork formation. Before DNA can be replicated, the double-stranded DNA molecule should be unzipped into two single strands. The strands has four bases, that is adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine, which forms the pairs between the two strands. The strand has two ends. One is the fifth end where the phosphate group is attached, and second is the third end where hydroxyl group is attached. The group where phosphate is attached is called leading strand, that is the 5-end strand, while the 3-end strand is called lagging strand. Now talking about the second step of the DNA replication, that is primer binding. The DNA strand, that is the leading strand, is simple to replicate. Once DNA is separated, a short piece of RNA called primer binds to the three end of the segment or the strand. Primers generate enzyme called DNA primase, which helps the primers to bind to the strands where the bases are attached. Now talking about the third process, that is elongation process. In this process, enzyme DNA polymerase is responsible for creating new strands by elongation process, where the elongation process is carried out in living organisms like humans and even bacteria and viruses. Like if we take example of bacteria, DNA polymerase enzyme, it is of 5 types, that is 1 DNA polymerase 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. Now taking the example of bacteria, that is E. coli or Escherichia coli, which contains DNA polymerase 3, which helps in replication process, while DNA polymerases 1, 2, 4 and 5 are working for or used for error and repair mechanism. And talking about the last step, that is the termination. So termination, once both continuous and discontinuous strands are formed, enzyme exonucleases removes all the primers, that is RNA primer, from the original strand, where primers are replaced with appropriate bases, that is ATGC, adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. Here DNA ligase is one of the enzymes which helps in joining the Okazaki fragments together, forming the single unified strand. Thus DNA replication process is carried out. Thank you.